Hello children, today's subject is EVS. So today we are learning chapter 3 from tasting to digesting in work group. There are different types of food that we eat. Some foods taste sweet, some taste salty, some sour and some bitter. Sugar tastes sweet, lemon tastes sour and bitter gourd tastes bitter. We can even identify some foods by their smell even without seeing or tasting them. Our mouth gets watered on hearing about some foods or seeing them. We cannot get the proper taste of anything that we eat if we hold our nose. The combination of different flavors brings so much variety in our food. Saliva helps in getting proper taste of the food that we eat. In the absence of the saliva, we cannot get the taste of different foods. Saliva also helps to make the food soft. There are many tiny bumps on the surface tongue. These bumps are known as taste buds. The taste buds help in getting the taste of different food items. We should eat slowly and chew the food well so that the food gets properly digested in the stomach. The digestion of food starts in the mouth, then the food goes into the stomach through the food pipe and different enzymes get mixed in the food and help to digest. We become lazy when we are hungry. If we do not get anything to eat for 1 or 2 days, then we will feel weak and tired. We cannot live without water even for 1 day because it is very essential for our body and helps to maintain its temperature. A person suffering from vomiting and loose motions is given a solution of salt and sugar. Sometimes doctor give glucose dip to the patient suffering from the diarrhea. The glucose dip gives the strength of the patient quickly, even without eating. The children who do not get food to eat have very thin arms and legs and pot belly. They feel tired and cannot go to school regularly. They do not have the strength even to play. The children who eat a lot of junk food or flabby, they have pain in the legs. They are not very tired, very active. They spend many hours watching TV. A large part of our population die hunger because the food is not available to them. Now we will do exercise. Tick the correct options. Lemon tastes sour. Tiny bumps on the tongue are called taste buds. The digestion of food starts in the stomach. The children who eat a lot of junk food are fat, flabby, that is both. Fill in the blanks. Saliva helps in getting proper taste of the food that we eat. We become lazy when we are hungry. Doctors give glucose dip to the patient suffering from diarrhea. We cannot live without water even for 1 day. True or false? We cannot identify some foods by their smell. False. Saliva does not help to make the food soft. False. We should eat slowly and chew the food well. True. The glucose drip gives the strength to the patient quickly. True. The point is one word answer. The process of breaking down the food in the simple form which body can use. Chewing. The tiny bumps present on the tongue. Taste buds. The liquid in our mouth that helps in the digestion. Saliva. Food like chips, sweets, burgers, pizzas and make us unhealthy. Junk foods. These are junk foods. And answer the following questions. How is saliva helpful? Saliva helps in getting proper taste of the food that we eat. In the absence of the saliva, we cannot get the taste of the different foods. How does the digestion of food take place? The digestion of food starts in the mouth, then the food gets into the stomach through the food pipe, and this answer is here, and first one is here, and this is the second answer. The digestion of food starts in the mouth up to digest. And third question, What are the taste buds and how are they helpful? There are many tiny bumps on the surface of the tongue. These bumps are known as the taste buds. These taste buds helps in getting the taste of different food items. And fourth question, why is water essential for the body? This, we cannot live without water even for one day because it is very essential for our body and helps to maintain its temperature. Fifth, what happens to the children who cannot get food to eat? The children who do not get to eat food, each have very thin arms and get legs spotty bell. They feel tired and cannot go to school regularly. They do not have the strength even to play. And we cannot taste food properly when we have a cold, and why? When we are sick, our noses are often blocked with mucus. Also, the tissue inside our nose can become swollen and inflamed. Thus, that prevents us from smelling properly because your sense of smell is so tired of your sense of taste. And next, how is the digestion of food affected if a person is sad or not well? Stress can affect digestion. And what nutrition the intestines absorb? Gas production related to nutrition absorption may increase. The intestines have a tight barrier to protect the body from food related bacteria. Now this is vomit question. And see here, look at the three groups of food and answer the following questions. In group A, milk, pizza, apple, bread and french fries. In group B, cheese, vegetables, rice, eggs, dal and banana. In group C, roti, cakes, burger, fish and milkshakes. So which group has healthy combination of food items? Group B is the very healthy combination of food items. Which group will you choose and why? This is your own question, so write here. Among the group chosen by you, which food items dislike? This is your choice, what food items you are dislike.